Hello chat room. Cozy afternoon carving stream. Oh, how we doing? How we doing? Far out, man. It is hot. It is hot, bro. Kia ora, ATV. Good to see everyone again. Sorry I didn't... That's not our daily sub goal. It was supposed to be daily age goal. Kia ora, whanau. Feels good to be back outside again. What am I missing? What am I missing, guys? Let me check. Well, welcome to the stream, finally. Bit of a nice cozy weekend stream for us. Nothing too crazy. I was a bit busy during the day because I'd sort a few things out with my wife. But we're back now. Feels good to be back. So today what we're going to do, well this afternoon, is some cleaning. If you haven't seen what we've been doing, is this. So this form here, as you can see, so it might look like the very point of a canoe almost, and that's the shape we're going for right there. So that's initially the shape that we're going to use. And we're going to design both sides. So the bro there wanted it, little box boy, is the name of the person who redeemed the 1,000,000 channel points to receive a free carving. And this is what we're at right now. So he wanted it to represent the sea and space as well. Luckily we have designs for both in our culture. But for now, we're on the molding phase. We're actually almost done with the molding phase, and then we can start drawing up. So for now, we're going to be doing a little bit of cleaning. A little bit of cleaning on both sides, making sure everything's nice and even all the way around, so we can continue to progress. Here we go. Go. Yo, thank you very much to Wait Tremblay for the Optimus Prime. Hey, what up Zero? What up Liger Style? Liger Style. So that's all we're up to, chat. Touch wood. Let's go. We on like Donkey Kong. But yeah, bro, it's actually hot today. I ain't gonna lie. So all we want to do is get all of these little things out as much as we can right now. So those are the things we want to take off. Might be better just to use a planer and just go over it all until it's gone. Maybe. Because it'll keep it even all the way. Do we quickly plane it, chat? Because that'll save time too. Just... and we'll keep our same flow as well, and then we can just put the center line back in. That might be the play. What sort of timber do you use? So majority of the time I like to use native timber. So this is native here. This is tōtara, native red pine to my country. And one of the more common timbers that we use, nice and soft. And it's good for projects like these, or carvings, like sculptures I guess, if that's the word I'm looking for. So all we'll do is just give it a quick plane. Hey, what up, is it Santasis? Did I say that right? Is it tōtara that has been cut down or a fallen one? Probably I don't know. This was actually a wood cutting wood base that my auntie's husband used to use, hence all the X marks that you might see. And I said, could I have it, because I could probably do something better with the slab. It looked crazy run down, so I took it because I could see the potential in it. Keep in mind that we don't cut down tōtara or native trees because it's illegal, but there are processes to cutting it down if it's on your land. But majority of the time you get all these councils that will cut it down without telling anyone. But yeah, this one's been in my auntie's shed for a couple of years, so now it's mine. Guy from my country is mentioned. Oh, I'd like Heimdall, he's cool. Heimdall and Thor. I didn't know what to put the stream title, so I just put Polynesian Heimdall. He is one of my favourite gods, and Smite as well. And obviously the favourite being Maui. Just cause biased towards my own people. Okay, let me hook the plane up and then we'll get into it. I might have to go to the to the chiropractor as well, chat. I've got carver's shoulders. Alright, so bear with me, it is going to get loud, okay? So just, we're going to be doing it a couple times and then we can carry on. Oh, Nisman, yeah bro, Violet Knight went pretty hard, and Fencer. But hey, still thank you, man, thank you. I'll never be ungrateful, bro. And just like that, the imperfections are gone. Love from Brazil. Hey, much appreciated, bro. Yeah, normally I don't do carving streams on the weekends because the kids are normally home. But the kids are with my mum, so I thought, why not? We've just been doing a lot of spring cleaning today, me and my wife, just getting rid of a lot of clutter before baby's here in 2 months. We got a bassinet and a pram or a stroller, second-hand W's. Okay, so we got those little imperfections out, which is good. Now put our center line back in. There we go. And our center line is back. Bora, thank you very much for the brand new Optimus Prime. So chat, our job now. What's your opinion on using manual versus electric? I don't know, a personal preference, eh? I think I'd go manual when it comes to a vehicle, because driving an automatic does not feel nice to me. Yeah, no, I don't mind it. It's all personal preference to me. I know there's a lot of people that go, if you use electric tools, you got a, you know, small dick. But I like this, dumb. Actually, before we do that, hey, what's up, Nixie? Yeah, me personally, I don't really care. Use whatever tool is comfortable for you. Yeah, I don't know, I just feel more comfortable still these days driving a manual. Me personally, everyone's different though. Are you happy with the current progress? Yeah. Anything that gets done within a short amount of time is good. And efficiently, I'd say. Efficiently. But we're almost at the drawing process pretty much. But before we move on to that, I want to make sure everything's clean. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Jeez. Sorry about that. Very nice, very nice. Here we go. Yeah, so I want to keep it slightly flat on the top here, just a little bit, not too much, just enough. have to do right now, so since we've done flattened it and we've taken it off the sides, it's gone, there's like a little point on each side now, so we kind of have to go down with that. Hey, cheer brother Chris. Cheer my brother. Hey, Splendid Sploinks, now that is a name I have not seen in a while. How you been, brother? What's up, Zed's, What is your main hobby? I wouldn't say this is my main hobby. This is a passion and a love to me. Main hobby? Probably gaming, brother. Art. I've been trying to learn how to do digital art because I think it's fun. Voice acting? Which reminds me, I need to make a bloody folder on it, eh? Digital art is very cool. Very hard for me too. Yo, Trained Infant, thank you for the 21 months, my brother. Hope you're well too, my bro. Chat, I won't be saying Happy New Year's anymore because we're in Feb now. I normally say it for all of Jan. Morning there, Orion. Kia ora, brother. Last I saw you, you had built a shelf. I built a shelf. I can't remember what it was, to be honest. Yeah, it's still something I'm learning. I've been doing anatomy. Been learning how to draw anatomy and just doing meme drawings here and there. I was thinking about trying to draw a few things and just trying to turn them into stickers, maybe. It's just a thought right now, but yeah. Kia ora greenie, kei te pai, kei te pai. Just another day to have a carve. All the kids are away, my bro. And it feels good. Yeah, so we're just getting some more progress done. We've just been spring cleaning with my wife all day, getting stuff for baby. And yeah, having a bit of a stream again. Having another stream, my bro. Yeah, this is like a big, yeah, we're just getting rid of a lot of unwanted stuff in the house that, yeah, just unnecessary clutter. We like to just getting rid of a few things that we don't need within the house before baby arrives. In April sometime. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. That's where I'm from, my brother. Well, yeah, this is the plan for today, whanau. Just cleaning up both sides. Clean them right up. And then we'll be Gucci. And then I will set up my other channel for the evening. So you probably can just barely see it, but there's a lot of these. You might see these little jutters. Those are from moulding with the chisel, and the orbital couldn't get these. So that's our goal for today, is to try and get some of those out. I heard people had a hard time queuing. Oh, I feel like OCE queues are a bit hard on a few games, like not League of Legends Marvel Rivals and all that, but for me, I play Rivals of Aether, platform fighter, and there's barely any queues for that. Which is pretty dumb, but absolutely love playing the game though. Yeah, so this is pretty much going to be it for this stream, chat. Push cleaning. The games hardly have queues here too. Wait, in South Africa? Oh, South America. Yeah, I know gaming is heavily like NAA. Lethal Bacon, thank you very much for the biddies, brother. Oi. Here we go. Yeah, so we're cleaning all that, chat. We're cleaning all that. Valorant and League, for have like 1 minute queue. Oh yeah, oh, bro, those are like games I don't play anymore. I played them at one point, but it just got boring, eh? Just for me personally. I was looking at all the OnlyFans drama too. I think the one that annoys me the most is like viewers that were hating on one of the guild members, Vay. One thing about the World of Warcraft community, chat, it can be real out the gate sometimes. What's the end goal for this project? Clean it, design it, send it to the guy that won it. Oh, that redeemed it. Pretty much, that's the end goal. If you want to see maybe a mock-up concept, exclamation mark Discord, go into the general chat and you will see. Once we finish cleaning this as well, chat, then we'll hit the sides as well. I played WoW for about 13 years. Yeah, bro. A lot of the viewers, bro, were like sending like hateful shit to her. Soda Poppin's partner, and it's so stupid, bro. People like to get real pissy over games, and it's the most cringest shit I've ever seen. Hey, what's up, Broxh boy and Golden guy? We are good, brother. We are good. Just feels good to be yeah, having another crack on a weekend, brother. Because normally I don't get to carve on weekends because my kids are normally home. But yeah, keeping the ball rolling, brother. Keeping the ball rolling, but yeah, as I always say, when it comes to me and and OnlyFans, I'd say I'm the comfier and more chill side of OnlyFans too. I'm not really out here trying to be, you know, and all the clips and all that crap when it comes to drama. It's not something I care about. I just want to get to level 60 and get corrupted Ashbringer. Yeah, bro. And it's probably just, you know, little papagas in their rooms. I was gonna tweet out to Vay, I was like, hey, if you need to enforce that TwitchCon, let me know. Yeah, if she needs an enforcer at TwitchCon, let me know. I'll do it. Alright. Yeah, so on this side we're going to have Unonahi, which is a design that represents the sea. So it'll be on this side. On the other side will be a design called Takarangi, which is a completely different design as well. Hey, from yeah, bro. Everyone's ball bags or opinions and egos grow 10 times in competitive. Like whenever I play a game, FPS games that involves a team, bro, I'm straight mute party chat straight away. Hey, cheers, Cloudy, my brother. So what I'm currently doing is just getting rid of a lot of the chisel marks that the orbital couldn't hit yesterday. Like, in hindsight, right, I don't actually need to do this. Believe it or not, I don't actually need to do this because the thing that will take these away is the design. But why do I do this? Content. Dragging it out a little bit. That's the only reason why. Yo, Chunny, thank you for the Optimus Prime. That's the only reason. There's no rocket science to it. Yeah, just drag it out a little. I don't want to finish it too fast, you know? If I was in a fuck it, we'll smash it out now, we would have been designing today. But one thing that irks me as a carver is obviously, you know, all these markings, the design will hide it. But at the end of the day, I'll hate that it's there even if we're, you know, getting rid of it. I'd rather the surface be nice and smooth, you know, without any of these little imperfections on the top. Then I'll be at peace. Knowing that they're there and, you know, that the design will get rid of it. The thing that'll annoy me is knowing that it's there even though the design might be hiding it. Pretty much it. That's how I initially feel about it. Where would be a better position to put the chat, even if it's in the corner and you can't really see it? But no one can see it. I don't care. I know it's there. Pretty much, Chris. Pretty much. I know it's there and it's going to annoy the absolute shit out of me. So I'd rather not. I'd rather get rid of it, eh? That is genuinely like how I feel, knowing that it's there. It's like that one annoying family member that can't take the hint when to go home. That's how I feel about these being there, even if I take it off with designing. How long have you been doing this for? This particular piece? Bro, we just started it yesterday. Wait, or the day before. Yeah, maybe the day before? Day 3. But I've been doing whakairo, Māori wood carving, for about a couple of years. I started when I was 12 and now I am 33. Could you use something like a block to smooth it out, like using a sander? Probably, but I'd rather use a chisel. But after all of this, I'll probably hit it with an orbital. I just want to get these deep things out that the orbital couldn't get. I want to get those out before we initially progress. And I like using a chisel more, to be honest. Her brother used to be the family member that thought it was fine to sleep in the backyard and keep drinking the next day. Sounds like my uncle. My uncle's a real bad alcoholic, eh? Like, to the point where I'd say, you know, get like maybe a couple more years and all that drinking he does is going to catch up to him, unfortunately. Like, real bad. And he got worse when my grandfather passed away. And that was like 22 years ago. He's just continuing to drink more and more, and he's becoming more frail. To go visit whanau, he wants to do a class on carving. I think the best place for people to do that would probably be one or Aotearoa. They might take people up on classes. The first Skaboss, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, brother. Yeah, I guess there would be people that do like courses for people that want to try it out. But for me, yeah, I was fortunate enough to be taught by my uncle who was a wood carver, and then eventually going to one of the best Māori carving schools in the world, or in the country, the world. I mean, it's the only one. And upskilling there. But the thing with this carving school I went through, they only take people that are Māori. And it's very, very, you know, traditional. So it's only for males, eh? So in days of old, just to give people an understanding why our women did not carve, with whakairo, who we carve are those that have passed on, so our ancestors, chat, and our beautiful wahine, who are the most sacred people of the tribe, are the polar opposite to what whakairo is. So we carve those that have passed on, our ancestors, as opposed to our wahine who bring life into the world. Hence the reason why they are the most, you know, sacred people in our tribe. So my grandfather always used to laugh at a lot of people, eh? They were like, you know, men on top of the world, and he would just say, holy shit, he must have been born out of a cabbage. Men this, men that. That was always my grandfather's joke. Says, this clown must have been born out of a cabbage. That was always the one line I remember him saying when we saw people like that. I like your granddad. He was a very straight up person. I used to always have to wait for him to fall asleep though when we watched his cringe Clint Eastwood movies on MGM. Watch him like a hawk, eh? When he fell asleep I grabbed the remote and watched Zoids. Every time. We weren't really allowed to watch cartoons that much back in the day. Especially at my grandmother's house when my uncle was awake. He was such a fuckhead, man. Wasn't allowed to do anything. You ever get into the models? The only model I ever built was Berserk Fury. My cousin had it, and he didn't know how to do it, and I said I'll make it and have a go, and yeah, that was the first model I ever made. Was the big Berserk Fury thing. That was fun to make though. So we've done all of this, just got to go from there onward. We need to work on the very top of the canoe too to get a small section of the timber out. There's a section on here that's a bit much, like it's not very nice. Also, chat, unfortunately, yeah, I'm gonna have to, we're gonna have to trade an old faithful as well. My vehicle that my grandfather gave me. As my family grows, we've got to start looking at other vehicles. I'm so sad we have to let it go, man. Because it was such a good truck. Oh, it is a good truck, I should say. Wait, it's things you have to do when your family gets bigger. Almost done here, chat, and then we can do the other side. And then we'll hit it with the orbital. Hit it with the orbital and then we'll be sweet. But it hasn't really taken that long to clean up, I must say. How's everyone doing in the chat though? You's all good? Yeah, this is not normally a time I normally stream carving about this late. Normally early in the day. Whew. Get out of there. Silly bloody thing. Oh, what you up to? You travelling? Alright, center line back in. Turn it around. So I want to get rid of all that. How are we going to do that? We'll soon see. Oh wait. It's not even unlocked. Right, chat room. Here we go. Hello. What you up to? Oh. Need you some help? What are you crafting? We are currently doing a commission for a viewer who redeemed a million channel points to get themselves a carving. So that's pretty much what we're up to right now, is molding the particular carving. What I'm trying to do as of now is get some of this out. Because it looks a bit hoo. It'll be alright though, because I put some resin in it. Well, channel point redeemed, yeah, this is like the second time it's been redeemed, and then someone else redeemed it around the same time too, so 3 in total in the stream's history, pretty much. The first one was 2 years ago. And now we are on the second one. Ever, pretty much as well. Yo, Wash Breezy, thank you very much for the 53 months, Tēnā koe, and also JJ Zo with the 57. Hoi! Heavy hitters today. Heavy hitters today, holy cow. Thank you very much for the aroha whanaungas. Steady beat it to me, yeah, he beat everyone to it. Founders farming technique, and cracked it. He knew exactly what he wanted to. As soon as he redeemed it, he messaged me saying, could you do a pai? And that made it a lot easier for me, because he knew what he wanted within, the whakairo realm. And it was pretty much just smooth sailing for me. Come on, you stupid thing. Yeah, it was pretty much smooth sailing from there. So that was nice. Yeah, true. I think once I bring the, the hair flick stuff back, everyone will start spamming. Alright, I'll clean up the other side now, whanau. And then we will hit it with the orbital. So yeah, nice cozy Saturday stream, which is very good. Might even bring TikTok into the mix soon. Maybe. Don't usually get... Yeah. Oh, it's mainly because the kids are away. So I thought, you know, why not? Let's get into it. Get some more progress done. And, you know, I don't mind getting a lot more progress done than usual, which is always pretty good. Like at the moment we're in a part of the process where, you know, it's just little things before we initially start carving into the timber. And once the design work is done, then yeah, it's pretty much it. I'm thinking of doing the OnlyFans thing offline and just do it as a YouTube video maybe. It's just a thought for now. Because I'm gonna have to paint the OnlyFans one. Pull up to the paper, we got things to do. Something to explore, maybe we could do. You better subscribe. Let me watch some Twitch friends. What's up, Tusky? Hey, brother, just lurking while watching. Hope you've been well. What's up, Tactical Muffin? We're good, brother. We're good. Just happy to get some progress done on the weekend, my bro. So we can, you know, get closer to the designing phase. Because, I'll be honest, that's pretty much going to be the big... That's going to be the big section of this whole piece. The shaping of this didn't really take that long. And yeah, it feels good, man. I'm on that peace blooming alcohol. I got some downtown I can call. I don't know what I want to without y'all. I'm a devil till that day I fall. Yeah, molding for this didn't really take that long. Like, we smashed it out pretty quick, which is good. Quick and efficient, I should say. Took out all the ugly parts of the timber, which is good. And now we can pretty much focus on the design itself, the design process. This side will probably take the longest, the one that's going to have the takarangi on it. Then we'll put a border in here around the edges as well. It'll be sweet. I don't know what I want to without y'all. I'm a devil till that day I fall. controls, arcs, turbines, even that ambient. I think we might bring some yappers into the mix as well, chat. Let me just get this real quick. Let me just turn the speaker off.
Polynesian iPhone disconnected. Ready to connect.
Disconnection. Jeez, these bloody tripods are hard to use. I'm on that peace blooming alcohol. I got some downtime I can call. I don't know what I would do without y'all. Time for more wood carving? Yeah! Just smashing out some of this molding. That's kind of all that's left to do. Really just cleaning up the mold. Clean up the mold and then we're good.
Ready to connect.
Most likely we'll be designing, or most likely be designing next week. Next week at the latest. Which is, you know, always good. Kia ora TikTok, how are yous? Hold on, chat. If I see a little imperfection or something that looks out of place, I gotta do it real quick. Gotta get at it real quick and then we'll be all good. Yeah. Kia ora TikTok, how are yous? Hope yous are well. What type of wood is used usually for carving? Native timber majority of the time, to Aotearoa or to New Zealand, if you want to call it by its other name. What's up, ATX? How are you, brother? Thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. Love from Sweden. Much love to you too, my bro. Let me just get this real quick. Thank you, Mont. What's your favourite tool to use? Any one of my chisels, brother. So the reason why I'm doing this is because the roll on this side is slightly different to the other one. So what we're currently doing is just an adjustment. So it looks somewhat similar. Buff as hell? Hardly, my bro, hardly. I don't remember the sleeve. I got this when I was 30, so probably about 3 years ago. One of the main reasons why I got it is because, you know, yeah, getting older. Next chapter of my life is starting. Saying goodbye to my 20s. Does the neighbours complain? No, because they got hearing aids. That's probably why they don't really care. I am not from Vienna. Never been there. Don't even know where that is. Are you Australian? Hell no. Ooh, nah. I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, so I'm indigenous. I'm Tūhoi and Te Arawa. I'm tangata whenua. I'm indigenous as fuck. Pretty much. Who are you cheering for the football? Oh, probably the Eagles, eh? Hopefully, you know, Mailata gets his first Super Bowl. I hope, probably. Yeah, the power singlet. Yeah, they've been looking after me, brother. Brayton, thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. Yeah, Power's been pretty nice to me over the last 2 years. They hooked me up with some merch, not last year, the year before, and some power themed shoes as well. And yeah, the singlet back in November. They always invite me to the events, but obviously I can't go because I put being a father first. So yeah, I hardly have the free time, and you know, I can't really justify spending money to fly over to Melbourne for you know, for a thing. Just for an event. Chiefs mana, wrong Chiefs coat. How much would it cost? What's that? Brayton, thank you very much, brother. Who done your work? My cousin, Te Wehi. I wanted someone from Tūhoi to do it. So I asked Boboy to do it. I will most likely go to him again when mine and my wife's third child is born, just to get an add-on up here around my arm as well, just so I can carry my baby with me too. Power Broxh incoming? Oh, I don't know. Thank you, Lewis and Bees. I don't know if I'd, you know, fit being in an org, or being amongst, you know, young people, because I hate noisy people. Yeah, I think I'm a bit too old-fashioned to be in an org. I did get approached by Liquid 2 years ago, so we were in, like, negotiation stages, and then towards the end, they said no. So I was like, oh, okay. But yeah, no love lost. I stopped caring about it the next day and continued doing me. So it was pretty much Liquid that was the first, you know, big gaming org that approached me ever in this story of Broxh. But yeah, towards the end, he pretty much fell through, so unfortunate. I'm a dad of two myself, couldn't be happier. Yeah, me too, brother. Me too. Yeah, our next child doesn't get here till April. The hard thing about it is it's hunting season in April. But we'll most likely be taking my girls hunting too. It's a skill I want them to know. Yeah, I don't want them to be squeamish when it comes to hunting, so they're going to be with me to learn as well. What are you hunting over there? Probably deer. Yeah, deer will be the number one. I want to play that hunting game too. What's it called again? I keep forgetting the bloody name of it. Call of the Wild? Keep forgetting the name of it. Call of the Wild. Yeah, that one. But I'm gonna go fully immersed into it. New ironing board. This is a commission. I'll be honest, I don't think our house has an ironing board. bit of clutter. Wait, did someone send a galaxy? Sorry. Let me go back so I can see who it was. Sorry, I was doing... Oh, there. Zach. Is that the England flag? Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Sorry about that. I do apologise, man. I miss things when I'm carving. Thank you very, very much, my bro. What's up, Hayden? Thank you, JS Mikey, as well, in the bro again. Thank you very much, brother Zach. And Low2312. I don't normally stream outside this late. Do you make your tools? No. Bro's low-key a chill guy. If you want me to be completely honest, I'm probably the only OnlyFans member where you won't find drama. There's the odd few, but when it comes to World of Warcraft and WoW Hardcore, the only things I have a problem with in the game is the NPCs trying to kill my characters. Screw those guys. we live in the power cut? No. Where were we when the power cut happened? Oh, we were just chilling. Just chilling, and yeah. Saw the lights didn't turn on, so I said, meh. And carried on with my day, brother. It's not really something I was worried about. It's easy to live life without power, I won't lie. Where are we? Hey, what up, Jiggy? Good afternoon. What's up, insoles? More outside streams? Yeah, bro. Feels good to be streaming outside again. Thank you, Rob, Robert, and Papa Con. Tēnā koe, my bro. But yeah, we're just doing a little bit of cleaning on the mould. This moulding on this piece is almost done, to be honest. And so we can move on to the designing phase, which will probably take the longest. Yeah, so we've got two different designs to do. Thank you, Peach and Antoine. Yo, Antoine. And Dale as well. Hey, yo, Antoine. Hold on, chat. Please don't do anything while I'm doing this. I've got peripherals, but not for small ticks. Yeah, not for small ticks, chat. My bad. Well, are we looking good? I appreciate that, brother. What part of NZ are you from? If I said, you probably wouldn't even know where it is. So I come from a small town called Ruatahuna, which is 2-3 hours outside of Rotorua, in the middle of nowhere. So I lived there majority of my life until I turned 16, and then decided to move out of home. Moved here to finish my senior year at Boys High, Rotorua Boys High, Okura. Yeah, and graduated in 2009. Long time ago. Long time ago. Damien and Void Namihine, man. Yeah, it feels like a long time ago now. What country do you live in? Aotearoa, New Zealand. You haven't aged a bit. Oh, bro, I don't even want to take my beard off to show me two chins. Tūhoi, yeah. Tūhoi and Te Arawa. Oh, and a huggy. I'll probably be a huggy. Oh, you're from Murupara? Oh, true. Yeah, graduated in 2009. What did I do after that? I went to what was called Wairiki Polytech at the time. And did some papers in Māori. Easy. And then I did Music Academy for a bit. And that's when I found out, you know, I could do opera. That was a surprise to myself as well. Singing in an operatic voice. So yeah, was there till 2011 maybe? 2012? And then I started working at Te Puia in the cultural shows. Concert shows, so they're like traditional Māori performance shows for tourists. James T. Love and Megatron, thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. And also Batty Den over on Twitch with the Optimus Prime. Tēnā koe, my bro. Where did I go then? Yeah, started working at Te Puia, did concerts for about 8 years. I think it was 9 years, and eventually, no, might have, I think, I can't remember, it's been so long ago. And then eventually went to the carving school at Te Puia to upskill, learn more, graduated as well, and got a full-time carving job with Tāmaki Māori Village, doing being a resident carver for them. And then boom, COVID hit, lost our jobs within the second week of lockdown. And then, yeah, the Tales of Broxh was born. Yeah, thank you very much for the aroha, and Spaghetto and Luca, tēnā koe. Is that a power tank top? Yeah, bro. Thank you very much, Oxy for the galaxy, and Nim for the car pies, and bad bitch from the races. Sorry for swearing. My bad. You rock with power? No, they just send me a lot of stuff. Yeah, I don't think you know, a wood carver would fit in an organisation. Oh, that was kind of my mindset around it after the whole liquid thing, when it didn't go through. It kind of made me step back and think, and you know, the stuff I do may not be well suited for, you know, the orgs of today, or any org in general. Yo, Alex, thank you very much for the rose. I'd like to, you know, collab with a few people from OTK, like S-Fan, but yeah. Did you know who carved greenstone and looking at? Nah, probably before my time at Tāmaki, because there was no one doing greenstone when I was there. From central New South Wales. Cheer, my bro. Hey, what up, Tixon? Yeah, they're real cool to me, like the power crew. They always invite me to the events, but in all honesty, it's a bit hard for me to go, or to justify, you know, spending money on flights and all that when I, you know, have children, have a wife, and have you know, another baby on the way. So I couldn't really justify going to all the events that they invite me to. I feel bad though, but genuinely would like to go. But yeah, my priorities are always with my family first. So I'm trying to squeeze up to my wife to go to TwitchCon at the end of the year, because it's 10 years of TwitchCon, which will be a pretty cool one, and it'll be cool to hang out with all the CG whānau from RP. Thank you, I eat ramen. Fuck, that would be nice right now. I haven't had a good ramen in ages. Yeah, I really want to go and hang out with everyone at TwitchCon again. TwitchCon Vegas was cool though. You watch UFC? Jacob Fatu? I hope he wins Royal Rumble. Highly unlikely, but I hope he does. He's my new favourite person to watch. I still enjoy watching Roman. That's my, that's my tribal chief right there. But Jacob Fatu is my new favourite. Oh, I've been watching him for ages, so I've been waiting for the day he hit WWE. Now I can finally watch him thrive some more. He's definitely someone I'd like to meet one day, Jacob. Thank you, Don't Cur, and Health, and Ned. What's up, brother Ned? Hey, from Brunei. One of my bros is from Brunei. He's a streamer. Elysium. He's good. He's good peoples, man. Elysium. He's a GTA RP streamer. Plays Benji Ramos, my character's self-proclaimed uncle. Thank you very much. Is it? Oh, how do I say that? Bill Jamie Lara? Oh, sorry for butchering your name. And Benny. Kia ora. Hello from Singapore. Tēnā koe. What's up, brother Hope Ball as well? Hey, what's up, Shoei? Yeah, we good, my bro. We good. It's just feels good to be doing carving again. As always, I genuinely like doing what I enjoy doing on stream more than gaming, to be honest. Are you from Aquaman? Yes. I was the rock under the water in Scene 5, Act 2. Hold on, chat. Don't do anything. I'm just going to clean this up. Alright. I'm cleaning and making sure I don't miss anything. Clean, talk, clean, talk. One person I'd like to have a game with is probably Laserbeam. Hey, what up, Nick? What's up, my bro? How's the leveling going, brother? I know you're at 40 now, eh? Level 40? I think you are, because I saw your name come up that you got your mount. Alright, I'll be on tonight. Hopefully I'm going to try and be there going solo on my wheel and X stuff. You like Jordan Mailata? Yeah, he's my favourite. And the Eagles. He's probably the reason why I support the Eagles. But I'm one of those Eagle fans that's nice. I've been seeing a lot of, IG reels of Eagles fans that are not so nice. Especially to their Green Bay lady. I felt kind of bad for her, I ain't gonna lie. 18 on my priest now. Oh, my man is gaming. Damn, what's up, brother Hardhead? Well, yeah, I genuinely hope the Eagles win this year. Would have been cool if the bro was still in the Eagles too for one more season. They're in the finals, but hey, it happens. But he's my spirit animal. The big cows. Making a priest. Far out, yeah. If I ever get to 40, I think what I'd like to alt is probably a hunter. Something that'll be relatively easy for me to level, pretty much. Thank you very much, Hey Siege, for the 49 months. Hey, my girlfriend just found you on TikTok and is watching on there and just followed. Hey Mrs. Hey Siege on TikTok. Your husband or boyfriend or significant other just resubbed to me for 49 months. Find you on TikTok. Can you try to say my name? It'd be an honor. Dial out. Okay. That looks like something I'd spell because I got big fingers. Dial out? What's up, Karepa? You hit 30. I'm definitely ready to watch. Yeah. Oh, I'm 32. 32, I think. Or close to 32. I'm in Arathi Highlands. I almost died there too. But I haven't really been able to have a good smash out this week. But probably take all the gaming stuff onto my other channel this week, since we're back on wood carving on the main. If you want to follow the alt channel, the Twitch channel, chat, it's not Broxh. Is that Pyroco? Their places? Yeah, bro. Not 25. I'm old. What's up, Viraj Baga and User? Thank you very much. What are you making? So what we're doing is basically trying to replicate underneath a canoe. So there's a section of our canoes that would normally be taken off and used as a commemorative piece for an event. But all I'm doing is using the shape in order to kind of showcase what the bro wants on this piece. Deegan and Ocean and L, thank you very much for the aroha. How much was their tank top? It was free. Power sent it to me. Yeah, they're really cool. I got a lot of love and respect for the power crew over in Australia, because they've been nice to me. Actually, wow, I like people trying. Oh, okay, true. Okay, where are we? Thank you, QXZZY and Deegan. I'm from Vietnam. Oh, kia ora. Are you Samoan? No. What's your real name? My real name is Lawrence Maketu. I don't look like a Lawrence, eh? I'm joking, by the way. It's Barry Benson. Little love from Miami. Damn. Yeah, are you from Waitomo? Never been to Waitomo in my life. You look like a Lawrence. What's up, Barry? Hey, what's up, brother? My name's Barry Benson. Barry Benson. You can call me Bowie. Bowie. You're definitely from Christchurch. Ooh, imagine being from the South Island. Hell no. I'm not from the South Island. Don't you dare swear at me again. No, I'm not. I'm from the north. I'm Petrified Stingray Gang. Oh, how was it? I don't know. What's your workout routine? I don't know. Does it the compound lifts? Okay, I might not be that old. Guess my orc name would be Dragos. Yeah, I just do all the, the 3 main lifts. I don't really do heavy deadlifts these days. Got no reason to. Unless, I want to be a jackass and say, look, I can lift as much. But, I don't do powerlifting anymore. There was a moment in my life where I was, fully locked in with powerlifting, but then moved on. That was my rotisserie chicken for dinner every day for the last 3 years mindset. Glad I don't do that anymore. Shush. On the night time? Nah, I'm joking. Am I though? Nah. What's the meaning behind your tattoo? So it represents my family is at the top here. So there's my grandfather, my grandmother, my mum, my wife, my eldest, my youngest. Well, she's going to be in the middle, and I'll be getting an add on maybe a couple months after the baby's born. And it represents the place where I'm from, and whakairo, Māori wood carving. Thank you, Joseph. Are you the guy from Twitch? Yep, I'm currently live right now if you want to go and have a look. What are you carving? So we are doing something. So what I'm trying to replicate right now is I don't know how to say this. The underneath of the boat. Yeah, the underneath of the boat is what I'm trying to do. Bro, did you play a role in Den of Thieves? Don't think I've played. Oh, Sea of Thieves is what I've played. Wait, did I miss? Oh no, that's not good. Hang on, let me go back. See, I told you I missed things. Oh, there. Thank you, Connor Copeland. Thank you very much to Connor Copeland for the galaxy. I had to scroll back just to make sure. Thank you very much, my bro. And Jake, Rayford, and no one for the Aroha as well. Hey, it's Korg. No, it's not. Adds marks. No, it's from the chisels, so that's what I'm taking off too. Just all the chisel marks. Like, I don't need to, but because the design will take that away from me, but I'll be annoyed because I know it's there. That's why it's coming off. Yeah, like I don't need to take it off, but I'm that guy. I want to. Like, the designing phase will take it off for me, but I'll be annoyed because I know it's there. That's why I'm taking it off. Pretty much. Alright. You touched the butt. Yo, thank you, Whooper Cody, for the 1,000 biddies. Tēnā koe, my bro. And and Nelly as well with the roses. Stop ignoring me. Oh, what did you say? Sorry, bro, I'm not a chameleon. I can't have one eye over here and one eye over there. I'm straight double eyes on the mahi. My tribal chief. No, it's not me. It's not me, brother. For what is that? This is a commission. So we're currently just moulding it, and then we're going to put 2 designs on. So on this side will be one, other side, other. We're putting Uno Nahi on this side. So our Uno Nahi is a representation of the sea, because the bro wanted it to represent the sea. And on the other side we will add a design called Takarangi as well. Big Z. I hope it's the one before he, washed back on that wave. Thank you, Chalaka. And, oh, sorry, brother, I don't know how to say your name. I don't want to be rude because it's in a different language. Broxh doesn't purposely ignore people. No, I don't, because I got to do my work. But when I carve my work, everyone's going, well, actually, you're ignoring me? Talk to me, please. JK. Alright. Couple drunks out on the road. Oh. Man, the grain on this is nice though. It's like really nice. What's the time there? It is currently, oh hell, it's almost 6:30. Yeah, 6:30 in the afternoon, my brother. On the evening, would you consider it evening? I know there's a couple people that go, well, actually it's evening. I was like, but the sun's out, you know? Oi, Luca, thank you very much for the galaxy. See, I didn't miss that one. Thank you very much, my bro. Hey, raw dog. Nā mihi e taku kanaka. How are you, brother? Nothing like your neighborhood drunk? Yeah, bro. Like the other day there was this lady and this man. They were like full blown like KO'd out the front of the house, and you know the protective stubborn nature I have kicked in. But I had to kind of pull the ejectocito a little bit and not be that guy. So I rang the paramedics. They were huffing. I'll be honest, they should have gave it to me. CRC. I was like, fuck, the CRC would have been better with me for my chisels. But yeah, I don't know why that's a thing here right now. Yeah, that was weird to see, and didn't want the kids to see that. Hence the reason why I'm trying to save, so I can get my family out of here. Do I believe in Jesus? I won't lie. It's not really my faith that I'd follow. I only believe in the gods that my ancestors brought here on our waka. And any other faith that was brought here by a people that I'm not from, it's not for me, that's all. But each to their own. I don't really have any ill will against people that have their own faiths. It's purely up to you guys, pretty much. Yeah. My wife, her and her sister, they were brought up in my in-laws are big Catholics, but the other faith that they follow is Ringatu. But my wife was baptised under Catholics, and I'm a smart ass to her in April because they can't have red meat, and I ate my steak in front of her and tell her how nice it is. I'm that kind of husband. I do apologise, Catholic community. I'm just a smart ass husband on the side too. Jimmy also? No. Yeah, that's just me. Yeah. Where are we? Have I didn't miss much? No? Oh, we're pretty much almost done with the cleaning on this side too. That's kind of what I wanted to get out of the way today. Let's just get that out of the way. And, yeah, we're good. Itchy nose. Oi. Thank you, Tangaroa. So, yeah, in a sense, Tangaroa, who is the god of the sea and the god of wood carving as well, he is present in the stream every day for me. Main event jail, so that's the one that got Yeet Street, eh? All husbands do that. Yeah, pretty much. I like being a smartass to my wife. It's just how life goes. Thank you very much, everyone, for the aroha. It's good having I actually don't mind these afternoon, weekend yarns, eh? Kia ora, Orion. What city do I live in? I live in Rotorua. Probably, the most smelliest town in the country due to all the sulphur. But, bro, give it 2 minutes and it smells like air. That's all I'll say, man. Alright. Yeah, just give it 2 minutes and you're good. Hey, what a mystic. Cheer, brother. Care to turn the humidity? Oh, bro, it's not too humid down here. What do you think about Stephen Adams? Oh, he's a good bloke, eh? Good on him for what he's done with his life. And you know, I always support Stephen Adams as well, being a local. Where are we? What is he making? I'm touching wood. Oh, bro, I wish I knew how to surf. That's one thing I want to learn in life, is how to surf, eh? It'll be cool. I've just got might get ripped in half phobia by a shark. That's scary, bro. There's bigger things in the sea other than you. I'm not scared of the deep, it's just, you know, potentially get your arm ripped off by a bigger bastard in the sea. You're that guy. What guy? I am you. Go Eagles, go Malata, my guy. Get up the Eagles. Alright. Oh, it'll Alright. How you been, Box Boy? You all good? Hey, pies please. Cheer, brother. Thank you very much, ZDZ and Elio High and Flock as well. Tēnā korua. Oh, hang on. Bro, trying to keep up, eh? Can I get in up the R's? What? John, thank you very much for the roses and royals as well. And Flock and Taff. Hui. Oh, up the R's, you said. Nah. Not over here, bro. Not over here, my bro. Nah, it's just the NRL team. I stay ripping my team still. Not a bandwagon jumper. Never been a wise supporter in ages, so I will not be a bandwagon jumper. Hell no. Hell no. There we go. You're that guy. Well, now, not to meet you there, sir. I could be that guy. I could be. I could be the right guy, man. Goddamn, I could be the wrong guy you're looking for as well. Where are we? To set what? NZ, thank you very much. Fortu Gaika, and is that a crab emoji? Thank you very much for the aroha. Randy, cheer, my brother. Thank you for the 44 months, my bro. Kia ora, brother. Thank you very, very much for the aroha. Forgot we had to clean this section up. Woo. Hold on, chat. Poia tutaku poi Ka pohia te mana mai te rangi e pirangi ana te ru i te moera whakarongo ki te tangi a te ruru e ohorere ana te ruru i taku poie rere ana taku poie rere ana. Alright. Hey, Sautoko. Thank you, Keith and Googs. Tēnā koe. And Retro Plastics and Metro. Oh, gone. Other Power merch is awesome. Thank you, brother. Yeah, shout out to Power for always looking out for me too. Jaden, thank you very much. And Aziz, thank you very much. And OzFeb 2.0. Kia ora, kia ora. Okay, let's stand this up for you guys, eh? FYP here. Nice jumper, bro, it's hot. If I could stream with no t-shirt on, I would, but you know, that's only for my wife to see, so unfortunately, he's not allowed. Gengar socks, yeah, they were actually for my wife. So, she turned 30, what she did for my 30th birthday, she bought me 30 things, so I bought her 30 things for her birthday as well. There we go. So pretty much what we have to do now is set a border. So we'll do a border down the center line, around the outside, and then we'll start doing our designs in between. And then from there we should be good. No, I'm not in power. No. Alright. Yeah, I'm not in power. I've got a power bill though. Shoot. That's the closest to Team Power I am. Thank you, Charlie, for the roses. Tēnā koe, brother. Man, help me sleep every night. As long as you get some good sleep. I'm mad. That's it. Hey, Coco, thank you very much for the star. I'm in love with the Coco. Power bill, yeah. I'm not in Team Power, but yeah, I do have a power bill, though. I'm that guy chat in the house. Why the frick's the light on if you're not in there? Yeah, so light little taper, and then I'm just looking forward to designing it all. Designing it all will be fun. It'll be the fun part of this whole piece. And then when it's finished, you know, staining it, and then after that we'll be packing it up and sending it away wherever Box Boy lives. So with this channel point redeem in my
I need you to oil this
stream,
man right
if
now.
people redeem 1 million channel points, they get a free carving, and that means, you know, all free everything. Yo, just in time. Thank you for the 2 bomb, brother. Oh, sorry, 5 bomb. Holy hell, I'm blind. Thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. And Coco again with the roses. Samoa, no. I got a lot of love for my people in Te Moana Nui a Kiwa though. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, pretty much. Thank you very much, just in time. How are you though, my brother? Thank you, Scott and Esty, for the aroha. No, I didn't voice call, no. Can you make me a mod? Probably not. We didn't really. Do we really need mods on TikTok? Usually when silly people come in, we just start roasting them because it's funnier instead of banning them. Yeah. Well, that's what I do anyway. But genuinely, after the roasting, we ask if they're okay and what's going on. Hello from Finland. Hello, brother. I think you can sing. Can we have a sample? No. When people tell me to sing, it psychs me out. You just gotta catch me in the moment when I'm carving. Yeah, just a bit of a chill Saturday afternoon stream, my bro. Oh, well, it's like almost 7 o'clock now. Hello from New Jersey. New Jersey. Hey, brother. You do commissions? Yeah, this one's actually a commission, but the difference being it's a free one. Would I join the bloodline? I'd have to train, but I'm 33. I think it's a bit late now to do that. Shout out from Aussie. Cheer, my bro. Yeah, I'm live on Twitch right now. Exclamation point. Twitch.tv/Broxh_. I'll be taking the gaming stuff to my alternate channel in the evenings now, since we're back on the main doing Hokkaido. Hello from Kazakhstan. Kia ora. Did you get rid of the Baywatch hair wave, bro? Yeah, that hasn't been back on since I cut my hair for my grandmother. Yeah. So when she passed away, I cut majority of my hair for her. That was a long time ago now. So in our culture, you know, when someone who made a big impact on your life or someone you loved dearly, a sign of aroha or great love to them is by cutting your hair off and giving it to them to take into to the afterlife, and that's what I did. I cut majority of my hair off. I cleaned my hair pretty much, got my wife to plait it for me, and my kids cut it off for me. And the last night before her funeral, I put it in her hand before they closed her casket, pretty much. Keep in mind, Chad, I'm not afraid to open up about these things, eh? It's pretty normal for me. But yeah, that's hence the reason, because she had a big impact on my life and my upbringing, pretty much. And yeah, like even with, you know, the sub goal that you see on the stream now, it's because of her I'm more open to subs these days, and that was because that was the last conversation I had with her before she passed away. She wanted me to be more open on Twitch and, you know, to the support. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And no one can really change my mind around things that my grandmother told me to do in life. That's just the impact she had in my life, pretty much. Thank you for sharing. Oh, always. Nothing wrong with it. Not really, you know, I'm not really afraid to open up and be vulnerable. I'm just here, being real. What does your tamoko represent? It represents my family. Oh, I'll stand up and show it, eh? So this is my grandfather and my grandmother here. Thank you very much, Trent. This is my mother, so keep in mind that they are the three people that raised me majority of my life. My grandparents and my mum. And at the back, can you see Twitch? Should be at the back here, that's my wife, my eldest daughter, my soon-to-be middle child, and I'm going to get the top of my arm right around of the newest addition to our family when she's born. Not straight away, but when she gets here. And throughout my arm you'll see a lot of these straight lines here Oh, also my sister underneath there. So she passed away when I was 5. Hence the reason why she's underneath and you can't see her. Because, yeah, she's moved on into the next life. And, yeah, these straight lines, though, they represent the mountains where I'm from. So I come from a real rural place. Put yourself in the middle of nowhere. Surround yourself with mountains and native forest. That's pretty much home. And yeah, the rivers in between are all the kōwhaiwhais within the middle of the straight solid lines. Pretty much all of them. And throughout my arm, I'll show TikTok first chat, you'll see the carving side. So there's the face, body, arm, legs, and another face there. So that's the carving side of my life, and that's pretty much embedded throughout the bottom of my moko. Over there, chat. Just showing Twitch real quick. There we go. So yeah, that's pretty much what my arm represents. The only add-on I'm gonna make is yeah, up the top for the newest addition to my family. Pepe will be here in April. Are you the rock guy from Thor? No, it's not me. It is definitely not me. Purest soul on the planet? Nah, I have my bad days too. I'm just not scared to tell everyone I have bad days. Hold on, chat. Thought that was going to drop real quick. There you go. Got it. Are you Hawaiian? No, I'm not. I'm not, brother. A few years back, I saw a video of you. Hey, brother. Nice to meet you. Where are we? Ooh, pretty. Thank you, Rixie, for the meteor shower. The animations are pretty good, eh? Thank you very much, Trixie. Okay, where are we on Twitch right now? I know you're from Corey Kenshin. Yeah, I want to watch his anime when it drops, eh? What is Polynesian Heimdall? Heimdall's another cool character that I used to play in Smite, who is a Norse god, and I didn't know what to put as my Twitch title, so I just put Polynesian Heimdall. Tomorrow's one will probably be Polynesian Thor. Who knows? It's the Moana guy. The Moana guy. This guy. Are you No, I'm not partners with Power. They just, yeah, show a lot of love to me over the last 2 years, and yeah. Yeah, for me personally, I don't know if, you know, oi, Rexy, thank you very much for the galaxy as well. Tēnā koe. I'm not too sure if I'd fit in a gaming org, because obviously, you know, I do a few gaming things here and there, but the main thing I always do is my culture and whakairo, pretty much. Marama tēnā koe and code OT. And hello to William. What does that mean? I love this guy, he's tough. Oh, bro, I'm a teddy bear. It just takes a real, you know, special kind of papega in the world to bring the bad side out. Would you put tattoos on your other arm? Yeah, I want to get Kaido on my other arm. Or a lion. Because lion's one of my favourite animals. Who knows? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll get Loki from One Piece. His design is cool, man. I don't want to spoil too much. If you read One Piece, you already know. But yeah, it's it's starting to become. Whew. If you're reading One Piece manga, you know, bro. Holy shit. But yeah, if I was to ever want to get more tattoos, I probably want to get something on my back from in Hawaii, or a proper tattoo from them, something that would represent a mangopare, a hammerhead shark. Yeah, I like Loki's design. Did you see, oh, I don't want to say anything. A certain individual's sword? Do you watch Berserk? No, I want to, though. I don't know where to watch it, though. Does anyone know where I can watch Berserk or start? Because I never really know where to watch all the latest stuff other than Crunchyroll. Oh, I don't have a Crunchyroll. I asked my cousin for their one. Whitebeard's flag would look... Yeah, I like Whitebeard too. Fuck, he's such a badass character, eh? I don't know if I get Whitebeard's Jolly Roger on my back though. I'll probably get it on my arm somewhere, because... badass. 9 anime. Oh, these are, you know, those sites that shall not be named for, you know, good viewing. I'm not gonna go and watch them anime like a pirate. Those kind of ones. Read Berserk, don't watch. Oh, is it better if you read it? Okay. Have you watched Attack on Titan? I watched 1 episode. I haven't been back to it since. I heard they were making like another ending to Attack on Titan as well. Is that true? From what I've heard, I don't know if it's true. I'm not really a Attack on Titan stan, so I wouldn't really know. What's your favourite One Piece character? It's hard because I like heaps. A lot of the, you know, old era are my favourites. Hawaii, nah, brother. Hello from the Philippines. Hey, my bro. Favorite anime? One Piece. But I don't really watch it these days. I just read it and then watch it when all the cool parts come up. The only other anime that I've watched so far is Solo Leveling. Yeah, One Piece is like my very favorite. Oh, I don't really watch football, my bro. It's not really a sport I enjoy or want to watch. My kids, though, never watched the game in their lives, and they go, Mr. Ronaldo! I was like, how have you seen Speed? He's like, Mr. Ronaldo! Thank you, Rome and Billy. Tēnā kōrua. Have you watched Naruto? Yeah. I think a lot of us have, eh? It's all good. What else? My Hero's okay. It's just too much crying, eh? Too much crying and not enough face punching. For me, anyway. Are you the wood carving guy? Yep. Oh, is it Royal Rumble tomorrow? Thank you, Jared. Wait, Royal Rumble's tomorrow, eh? Am I correct? Or is it Monday? It is tomorrow. Ooh. If I don't carve tomorrow, it's probably because I'm watching Royal Rumble. Yeah, I'll be honest. You're Hawaiian, don't lie, I'm not. Yeah, I might watch Royal... Do I take a day off and just watch Royal Rumble? Power supporter. Oh, they just yeah, show love to me every year, so yeah. UFC tomorrow? Nah, I'd rather watch Rumble. Randy Orton coming back. I don't know. Me personally, I'd love Jacob Fatu to win, but it's highly unlikely that that will happen. But hey, if it does, W. Yeah, I'd like to see Jacob Fatu take it out. And then it's the women's one as well, eh? Tomorrow. Is it? Who would I like to win that one? Even though she's injured, Dakota Kai, but she's not going to be there, so sad. Always got to, you know, support your local. What time is it for you? It's almost 7 o'clock, so I might finish up soon. Big fan of hockey? Not so much, brother, or baseball, yeah. Yeah, not so much hockey or baseball, brother. Are you Samoan? No. How are you, friend? We're good, brother. We're good. I'm looking forward to just chilling after the stream. Might play a little bit of Marvel Rivals. Played Psylocke for the first time last night. She's pretty good, eh? I actually didn't mind her playstyle. Basketball. Back in the day, it used to be the Lakers, and you know, after Kobe died, I didn't really watch the Lakers that much anymore. No, just anywhere Steven Adams went, really. It's 6 in the morning where you are? Boy, I hope you're starting your day. I hope the Eagles win. I haven't seen you in a long time. Hey, brother, nice to see you again. You look like Jacob Fatu. I love you so now. I love you so now. I don't think I'd ever get dreads though. Hell no. No thank you, bro. His mic skills, eh? Whew. He's too good, bro. He's too good on the mic, bro. Can you stream your games? Yeah, follow me at twitch.tv, not Broxh. Will be this evening. But yeah, I think that's going to be us for today, TikTok and Twitch. For now, yeah, I'm going to finish up. We'll most likely stream on my alt channel on Twitch. I became an affiliate streamer on my second channel. Twitch ambassador, Twitch affiliate, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to be streaming on my second channel on Twitch this evening. It's not Broxh. That's pretty much the name of it. Most likely be jamming out some more WoW. I need to get some levels. I want to try and get to 60 on hardcore. And hopefully try and get my Whirlwind X soon as well. But for now, ngā mihi nui to everyone on TikTok and Twitch as well. You have a good one. I'll raid someone inside, eh? I've got to go inside and turn the outside setup off. But for now, stay safe, stay good, and enjoy the Royal Rumble tomorrow. Ka kite. See you later. I'm not in power. Ngā mihi. Alright, Chatty Lala, that is going to be me for today. Thank you very much for the aroha. 12 out of 33 on the daily sub goal today. Appreciate yous. I am going to head inside. I think dinner's ready because I can smell it. I'm going to head inside and raid someone in there, okay? You all have a good one. Thank you very much for the continuous aroha today. And who knows, if I'm not streaming tomorrow, it's because watching Royal Rumble. Peace out. Have a good one. I'll see you on my alternate channel this evening, eh? Twitch.tv/not Broxh. Choo-choo. Look for the green bear.